Let's look at Chapter 13, Lesson 1 Review, Geometry. Find the area of each face of the figure, then add the areas to find the total area. So I know that for the little square right here is a 4 by 4, and I know that 4 times 4 equals 16. In order to find the whole thing, I'm going to count up how many squares there are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I'm going to take 16 times 6. And I know that 6 times 6 is 36, carry the 3, 6 times 1 is 6, plus 3 more is 9. So I know that the total area is going to be 96 centimeters squared. Number 2, I have two little squares that are 3 by 3, and I know that that's going to be 9. So I have a 9 and a 9 here. And then for the rectangles, I have 10 by 3, which would be 30. So I have 30, 30, 30, and 30. So I'm going to add up all the 30s, and I know that 3 times 4 is 12, and I'm going to add the 0. And then I have 9 plus 9, which is 18. Go ahead and add that up, and I'm going to end up getting 138. Don't forget meters squared, because it's area. Let's look at number 3. I'm going to find all the different sections. I know that 1 times 4 is going to be 4. So all these little guys are just going to be 4 inches squared. And then I know 4 times 4 is going to be 16. Now I'm going to add up 16 plus 16, which is 32. And then I have 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4, which is going to be 16. I'm going to add this up, and I'm going to get 48. And I know that it's going to be 48 inches squared because it's the area. Do the same thing for number 4, where I'm going to find the different little squares first. I know that 2 times 8 is going to be 16, so all the little ones are 16. And then I'm going to find the big square, which is going to be an 8 by 8, which is going to be 64. So I have 64 plus 64. And I know that 4 plus 4 is going to be 8, and 6 plus 6 is 12. Then I have to add 4 16s. From my previous problem over here, I can see that 3 16s would be 48, and then I could add one more 16. I know that 8 plus 8 is going to be 16, plus 6 more is going to be 22. Carry the 2. 2 plus 2 is 4, plus 4 more is 8, plus 1 more is 9, and 1 plus nothing is 1. So I know it's 192 meters squared. Don't forget your label. For the measurement section, you need to measure the line with the Cuisenaire rod named. Then write the length of the line in centimeters. You're going to have to do this on your own using your Cuisenaire rods in order to find out how many centimeters each line are.